Mine your mind for the jewels of your soul. Scroll 8. The more it possesses, the more it wants. 19 times 1 equals 19. Lo, without knowing it, humans are exceedingly plagued by the insatiability of their own minds. 2. Most humans are about as happy as they make up their own minds to be. 3. In order to remove this sort of trouble, the craving for sensory stimulation must be removed. 4. Once the mind has been stilled and concentrated, it no longer presses one to seek further pleasures. 5. The senses can be controlled through reduction of wants and activities. 6. Dietary discipline is essential. 7. Furthermore, one should avoid undesirable company as well as stimulants and depressants. 8. Television, cinemas, and newspapers which agitate the mind. These influences should be reduced and replaced with periods of sitting in silence and solitude. 9. There is really no right way to do wrong things.